Network. Today we're going to be making an egg parmesan. This is something to be good for your holiday dish that you can actually make. Something different that you can serve your people. There's no meat. And we're going to be starting with eggplant. Okay, you're going to cut the eggplant about a 1/2 inch thick. Make sure you soak it in salt water for about an hour and just lay them out in the pan. Alright, then you're going to be using like 4 eggs whisked together, all beat up, Italian breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour, salt, kosher salt that is, fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, about a cup, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. We need 2 cups, one for the top layer, one for the bottom layer. And you got your spaghetti sauce that you want to use. Season it up, spice it up how you make your spaghetti or whatever you want to do to it. Make it real nice. Okay. So today is going to be an eggplant parmesan. We're going to be cooking this. It's probably going to turn the oven on for about 400 degrees and let it bake for about 40 minutes. But a lot of stuff already prepped up for you, so you don't have to worry about doing all this. I'm just going to kind of show you that you pan fry them on the pan. And I'll show you how to do that in 1 minute. Okay, this is how we're doing this. We're actually going to take the eggplant that we drained and we put a little salt water in it. Alright, now we're going to stick it in the egg wash. See, we're going to do egg wash. Flour, both sides. Flour. Okay. Back into the egg wash, both sides. And then you're going to stick it into the Italian breadcrumbs on both sides. Breadcrumbs. Flour. I know it seems like a lot of work, but you got to do it the right way. Okay, and you get it and you put it in the oil. See that? And the same step. Egg batter, flour, flour on both sides, breadcrumbs, like that. And you just stick it in the frying oil. Okay. Egg wash. Flour, Italian breadcrumbs, both sides. Just flip it over until it's nice and golden brown like that. See that? On both sides. So remember, egg wash, both sides, flour on both sides, back into the egg wash, both sides, and back into the Italian breadcrumbs, like that, and into the oil. Just finished frying up the eggplant. This is what it's supposed to look like. Yep. Okay, there we go. Okay, now you can continue on making the eggplant parmesan with the instructions I gave you earlier. Okay, just make sure you use yourself a nice Pyrex pan or whatever type of dish you have, a nice baking dish. Okay. First you want to do is get your sauce. Parmesan eggplant, okay? This is what we're making, in case you just tuned in. So we're going to kind of like, just get the pan like that, put a little bit of sauce in the bottom of the pan. Okay, you're watching this, right? Okay. We're going to get the eggplant, just place them in, like so, all over the bottom of the pan, like putting a puzzle together. Okay. Parmesan cheese all over it. Parmesan cheese all over it. See that? Okay. mozzarella cheese, a little bit of mozzarella, fresh basil, sprinkle some fresh basil on top. Okay, and you repeat the steps again. Repeat those same steps. Put the spaghetti sauce right across the top, like that. You don't have to be so neat with it. It's going to all bake together. Just like that. Okay. Then you just, next step, you just put another layer of eggplant across the top. Like that. Just like that. Make it all fit like a puzzle. That's what you're doing. Okay. Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella, as they call it in Italian. Mozzarella. Okay, more mozzarella on top. Parmesan, just like that. Load it down with Parmesan. Yeah, hook it up. More basil. And you're just going to hit it off with another little layer of the sauce. Just like that. Just to use it all up. Get a nice full pan. Y'all watching this, right? It's going to be the best dish you ever had. With no meat. Eggplant. Just kind of cover it all real good like that. Finish that cheese up, just kind of sprinkle it on top. There you go. Eggplant Parmesan. Bake that for about 1 hour. You can put aluminum foil on top if you like. If not, you can just bake it for like 40 minutes and then take it off. That's what it looks like. Eggplant Parmesan. See that? All right.